Imagine a bridge spanning the expanse of a sea, connecting an island to the mainland. This isn't a mere figment of imagination, but a real wonder in the heart of India. The Sudarshan Setu. Nestled in Gujarat's Dwarka, it bridges the gap between Beit Dwarka Island and mainland Oka. This colossal structure holds the title of India's longest cable-stayed bridge, a feat proudly inaugurated by Prime Minister Modi. But remember, this isn't just a bridge, it's a testament to the marvels of modern engineering and the vision of a nation. The Sudarshan Setu isn't just a marvel of length and engineering, it also boasts a unique design that sets it apart. This bridge incorporates green energy solutions, with solar panels integrated into its design to illuminate the structure at night. But the uniqueness of Sudarshan Setu doesn't end there. The footpaths of this architectural masterpiece are adorned with verses from the Bhagavad Gita and images of Lord Krishna. These elements add a rich cultural context to the structure, bridging the gap between modern technology and ancient wisdom. The Sudarshan Setu is more than a bridge. It's a fusion of technology, culture, and spirituality. The Sudarshan Setu isn't just a spectacle to admire, it's a catalyst for development. The inauguration of this monumental bridge marked the launch of several development projects, collectively worth over 4,150 crore rupees. These initiatives are set to revolutionize the district, bringing about significant improvements and advancements. The impact on the local community has been profound. The Sudarshan Setu has made transport between Beit Dwarka Island and mainland Oka a breeze, eliminating the need for ferries, saving time, and making daily commutes safer and more efficient. This increased ease of transport has also stimulated the local economy, facilitating trade, fostering business growth, and opening up new avenues for economic development. Moreover, the bridge has also become a symbol of cultural pride. Its footpaths adorned with verses from the Bhagavad Gita and images of Lord Krishna, celebrating the rich cultural heritage of the region. This blend of modern infrastructure with traditional elements has created a unique identity for the Sudarshan Setu, making it more than just a bridge. It's a testament to human ingenuity and a beacon of development. The Sudarshan Setu stands as a symbol of progress, a beacon of development, and a testament to the power of human ingenuity.